Hey, it's Aran here. This is a new Zenler tutorial where I wanted to share with you what to do after your domain name is connected, because there is something you need to know in order to not lock yourself out of your account and so on and so forth. So here's the deal. When you are connecting your domain name, you go to site settings, custom domain. I have a different tutorial on how to do all the connection. Once the connection is done, because sometimes it takes a few hours, 24 hours, 48 hours, or just an hour or so, then you have the option here to set as primary. Now, when you see, you can click here and look, just hover over the question mark. And basically it says once this option is set, i.e. once you check this and it turns blue, your Zenler domain will redirect automatically to your custom domain. Please note that if you are unable to log in to your custom domain for any reason, you would need to talk to support@zenler.com. So here's how this is going to work. Right now, you will notice this is my client's domain. So it's this name right here, .newzenler.com. Now this is a subdomain of New Zenler. The moment that I'm going to check this and toggle it, it will basically automatically log me out. So don't freak out if that happens. But what will happen is that this name right now, like this one, if I was to click on it right now, you will see that the website is already live. Now, if my client wants to log in as an admin, she's going to need to click on sign in and use the same email and password. Now, because the domain is different, then sometimes the password will appear like it's actually not saved. So you want to basically save the password of your Zenler account separately and then just sign in again right here with that password, and then that way the password will automatically be saved and you'll be able to log in without having to retype your password. So basically what's going to happen is this website is now live. You can see it by the checkbox, but as soon as you check this, it will log out of this domain completely. So any domain that is like this anywhere on the web, like maybe you've used it, maybe you didn't connect your domain name in the first 6 months or the first month or whatever, maybe you're on a free plan. Basically, every time somebody types in this or clicks on a link like that, it will automatically redirect to their proper domain and it will work perfectly, okay? But sometimes people freak out because it logs them out and then they can't log back in. So it's the same password, it works the same way, but you need to know what your password is and type it back in on this domain name so then it gets saved. So I just wanted to record this tutorial because I had a few questions about this topic. And yeah, that's just a complimentary video to my custom domain training tutorial on setting up custom domain with Zenler. If you want to learn more a little bit about Password Manager and how all that works, I'll have a different tutorial on my channel on how I use LastPass and how that's really valuable for your own privacy and security and so on. So that's about it. If you're new to this channel, please leave a comment below if you have any questions and also subscribe. And thanks a lot for watching. I'll speak to you soon.